Hi guys, the next section I want to present you is tariffs for the flexible page builder. It has two tabs, settings and section content. In the settings tab you have display section button. It allows you to toggle showing or hiding the section on the front end. Then you have the full width toggle. If it's turned on, the section will be stretched from edge to edge, while it's off, it will be inside central container of your theme. Background color image or video allows you to set up specific image or video or background color for the section, making it more unique. Section ID and class name help you to target specific styling or event tracking for this section. Display as a slider with navigation toggle allows users to see the section as a grid if this toggle is off, or as a slider if this toggle is on. Number of elements per row on desktop devices sets number of columns, tariff elements, on desktops. Either it's a grid or a slider display type. Animation is a drop-down of three basic animations, allowing you to add some uniqueness to your section. You can leave it as no animation. Title, tag, or description inputs are used to present your section and target SEO strategy. The buttons repeater is shown beneath the section, and you can add as many buttons as you want, style them accordingly, adding attributes, URL, class name, and titles. Now the tariffs is actually the repeater. It has 6 inputs and one actually a toggle. You have the title, you have featured toggle. If this toggle is on, there will be a new class name added to a tariff item, so you can style it appropriately, like adding a box shadow or making an image larger, etc. You have the price, which is optional. You have the image or icon, which is also optional, and you have the image type, like should it be displayed as a small icon or as an image. For example, you want to display a cover block with a large image there, and the description which you may use to describe the specific tariff. Now, each tariff has its own button repeater. You can add a couple of buttons under each tariff to redirect users to a specific page. You can add as many tariff items as you want, and after you're done with the content, please update the page to save the settings and display the section on the front end. Good luck building nice pages.